the process of buying a Hellcat be like when you coming in with a car club. Oh.
If you wanna sign and we roll out, like
No,
I mean, you got some curtains down.
Let's talk about
everybody got hoodies.
Let's talk about what is happening.
I don't come up from air, so you can be.
Everybody got hoodies. Look, I be just like this.
Oh, honey, your best bet is not to look, cause I ain't gonna stop. Hey, you gonna sit on me? I'm gonna keep going. Fuck the hood.
She said. Hey, hold on. Hey, I'm playing sevens. Yeah, I'm about to say. You wanna play sevens up, man? I was just about to.
He got pretty good. That's
I was just about to say that,
It's gonna be
bro.
way too quiet for y'all to be over here just ignoring the sound that's about to happen.
I'm over here signing.
Hey, we gonna be first I drop my top.
Oh yeah.
Come on now.
Don't you look like around.
It would be like the TikTok.
Oh shit.
Y'all stupid.
Nah, no bullshit. I really want to see
No,
what
but
it's
listen,
gonna be
like if he faced this way,
Hey, yeah. Where the cameras at, bro?
if he faces this way, and I'm flexible enough to get underneath.
What's going on today, bro? We just trying to find a
The only
Hellcat.
thing.
Honestly, what I told myself, and I think I told them too, I said I'm giving myself 25 days. I think that was January 2nd. Because what's 25 days from January 2nd? Oh!
Hey yo, gotta go.
Hey, what's the noise?
He disrespectful.
I knew he was adopted.
I'm not adopted. Trust me.
I'm the real son.
25 days from
He said,
the best day of my life.
Oh,
that's what I'm talking about.
That's so sweet.
Oh my God, look. Oh, she said cab. Why Kuma said that's you.
My best friend was born on that day, 25 years ago. Almost 20
Hey, she talking about the best.
Big facts.
Oh, you the best one.
Big facts. Yeah, I'm
That man said, "Oh, you the best friend. You a wild man, G."
Was it the 25th? I mean, was it the 27th or was it 9 months prior?
What are you talking about?
That was the best day.
Tell it.
What was the best day ever? When I came out or 9 months prior?
Damn, why everybody mother calling? Shit.
Yeah. But
How fast y'all gonna get there?
Food on you.
Fuck you talking about? Yeah, I'm getting there. You feel me?
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Big cats in the chat.
Hellcat.
Yeah.
Hey, so can I get your headlights?
Hey, so what you
If you can
gonna
go snatch him out,
What you gonna be?
Ask
now,
him- ask
though?
him how long you got.
Ask your question.
Yeah, what's your IG?
What's your IG gonna be? Bro, you're not gonna get that, bro. The only way
Nah,
that
you can technically still take the stuff off your car.
No, but usually, they be like, oh, you got something.
Yeah, the niggas didn't look.
They did it.
Yeah, exactly.
So what you want to
swap with mine when we get back to the. We can swap back when we get to the house.
Nah, you can give. We can give.
Yeah, we can go to Modog on mine. You take mine.
Nah, like real life. If you
and you come back with them.
you didn't.
That's up to y'all.
No,
I'm serious.
Guy changes voice when you better sign this deal. I hear you.
Gotta get it deeper in the.
I know. That sounds like me. I got it. Keep that same energy with me.
All good.
Damn, boy, your lane long as shit, boy.
Alright,
Hey yo, what's your real name?
Tion Julian.
So, alright.
yeah, little bitch boy.
You gotta lower your tone. You gotta lower your tone a little bit. Like, what's your face?
My face.
Your expression. Like, I can see your face through the mask. Don't look at me like that. Because, like, damn. Don't look at me like that.
Don't like brand new when she get the Hellcat.
Hey man, he must.
I'm not.
You gonna see the vet, man. You keep crying about the fucking vet.
Hey, bro, stop playing with me like that, bro. That's fucked up, dude. They just hating on my dreams right now. He getting yelled at. Nicky.
How you doing?
We inside a CA, man. This car is so low to the floor. It's so low. So y'all know I'm in the market for the Corvette, man. They got this one. And see, all CAs are like 100K. That's the issue, bro. So this is the 1LT or?
Yeah, so this is gonna be the Stingray, but I think that this is gonna be the 1LT, but it has a manual transmission.
Oh, I see. Sheesh. That's the 2LT. And see, I'm really looking for a Z06.
Yeah.
Or anything lower. Grand Sport is like the lowest I would go.
Yeah. Damn, bro, you missed that. I had oh no, right here. I had a Z06, a yellow one, but I sold that joint literally like probably a couple days after we got it. And then I got this one coming in. It says it's the manual, but I gotta double check it. Sometimes they'll say manual, but it's automatic. Yeah, but this joint's 100. And this one we have a ZR1 coming in. And then let me see this one right here. I gotta double check. Let me see.
They got a ZR1 coming in for what, 139, bro. Bentley RCF, Beamer, Range Rover, the Porsche, Tesla. This the Plaid? What's this?
Yeah, this is the Plaid right here.
Tesla Plaid.
Yeah, once we get back, I can pull the pricing on that one because for some reason it's not pulling up.
That's
so yeah, I got the Plaid, I have the Pan America E-Hybrid, and I got the Carrera 4S.
So basically, we just had 6 people buy Hellcats in 6 months. I bought my Scat Pack, and everybody else bought Hellcats. So now it's either I buy the Hellcat or I buy my Z06. I can't. C8 is too high for me right now. This a 350R?
Yeah.
350.
We had a 500, but that was sold. I didn't like it because it was an automatic. The 350 is always going to be a manual, you know? But this one's clean too. Everything is all OEM.
Nah, they go
Rolls Royce.
They go yell at me for switching from Mopar to Mustang like that.
Got the LC Cuban Taylor. I got an RCF Corvette over there, and I got an X5M and a Range Rover right now and then. And we got a Lambo on the way.
Lambo on the way?
Yeah.
Which one?
It's an Urus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was just the base model though. We were trying to get the Pearl capsule, but the guy wanted too much for it.
How much I know for the yours too?
I think around like 320.
320?
Yeah.
I got somebody in the market for yours, but he ain't trying to spend 250.
Oh yeah, bro.
I might have to give you a trash bag. We knew that. Nigga talking about some matter of fact. Get the cleanest video you about to see, cause ain't shit in this bitch about to be clean after this.
Hey, I know.
It's truth.